Hey there, YouTube. This is the new Animal. Oh wait, this is Crazy Beans 01, and this is the new Animal Jam update. Okay, so let's go to. Well, okay. Diamond Shop. 1 second. Okay, there's eagles. They cost 10 diamonds. You know, as always. Yeah. Lots of people want that. So, also, there's a new game in Animal Jam in who knows how long. When has there ever been a new game? No one knows. Well, unless you've been playing this forever. But anyway, Swoopy Eagle. Sounds familiar, don't you think? It's Flappy Bird. What the heck? Animal Jam scammed Flappy Bird. Oh, see, everybody's bad at it. No. Anyway, so that's the new Animal Jam scam. Animal Jam scammed it. Also, if you guys ever played Jump, like AJ Jump, it's just Doodle Jump. Same with this. This is just Doodle Jump. Yeah. Oh, also, there is Angry Birds somewhere. Hang on. I think it's down here. Oh, yep, Fruit Slinger. This is Angry Birds. Or Angry Fruit. Yeah, see, Animal Jam is just a scam. Here, I'll play this one. What? Yep, so Animal Jam scams everybody for their game. No, I want to win. There, yeah, I won. What? Okay, yeah, so that's the scam. Well, anyway. And remember, draw a pretty wolf today. I'm out.